This pool light from GT Brighter. This thing is awesome. So thanks a lot to GT Brighter for sponsoring this video. Comes with everything you need. Comes with a really long cord that goes right to a transformer that you'll plug in. But this thing is awesome because it is color changing. Also comes with some suction cups to be able to mount it, some magnets as well, and then also a cable tie to be able to tie it off. So this is what it looks like right here. When you scan this right here, you go right to the app to be able to control it with your phone, control the colors and everything that you want. Let's put it in the pool and see what it looks like. So here is my pool. It's about dusk right now. So my existing pool light is not working. So instead of replacing that for a lot of money, I'm going to put in this new one. So obviously, since this plugs in, you're going to need an outlet. So what I'm going to do is actually put it right here where the existing light was, run it right back here to an external plug-in. So what I'm going to do is use the two-way suction cups. Put one right on the back here and another one. And then I'm going to push this into the existing light that's already there. And then the cord just goes right through here. The other way is to use the cable tie, and you can wrap the cable around here and then tie it up. And there we go, mounted right to the existing light. It fits perfectly. Look at that. Okay. And then you've got the waterproof cord, and I'll probably tuck this away in a little bit, and then you plug it in right there. Okay, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Okay, and there we go. It looks pretty awesome. Here's the app right here. Let's see if we can focus in on this app. Let's change the color right down here to whatever. Purple red is what it is. And there we go. Changes the whole pool. That is a super bright light. Let's go over to maybe some yellow green and kind of change it a little bit. Yellow green. Let's go to red. There we go. We've got a red pool now. I've got a blue bottom, and it's not super dark right now, so it's not fully going to change. Let's go. You can quick tap for different colors. You can just tap blue just like that, and it changes. You can tap green, and it changes just like that. Also, here is the switch right on the app itself. It just turns it right off, going to nothing. Turn it right on, and it leaves off on the color that you had. Let's go over here to red. Let's go to magenta. And as you can see, lots of fun. Also right here in the app, you've got brightness, so you can actually turn it down to what you want. If it was late at night and you didn't want to have a super bright pool, you could turn it down. You can turn it all the way up. And then there's some other things that you can do with colorful. You can slowly start changing colors. This is kind of switches, goes from blue to green, all kinds of different colors. Green to blue, and just start switching to different colors. You've also got a setting on here called dazzling, and you'll start doing some different things. Magenta and the green, and it does it all by itself. Then you've also got music on this app that the lights will change to the music. Let's wait a few minutes and get it a little bit darker, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, and it is fully dark now, and this is what it looks like. Super cool. Makes the whole pool whatever color you want it to be. Let's change it right here. Magenta. Let's go to a red. But it looks really good with like indigo is a color right here on the app. You can also, like I said before, just do the instant colors and go to blue. So blue looks really, really good. Or you can go to like a light green as well. Uh-oh. Not sure if we like the green color. It looks like algae. Not sure. And there's a lighter blue as well. So super cool. Thanks a lot to GT Brighter again for this pool light and for sponsoring this video. Super cool pool light. That's for sure. And it definitely replaces the one that I didn't have working. So this is awesome. Makes the pool look great and super fun at night as well. This is great. So if you're looking for a pool light, can highly recommend this. This is the one for you. A lot of fun at night. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.